Hello and welcome to another update video about VAI. Yeah, Vaiot is on the move. Another AI coin today. These are moving. I've been mentioning VAI in previous videos as one of the coins that actually has quite a nice 5-wave move up of the 2022 lows into the highs here, 2023 highs, and then obviously a very corrective looking decline into the yellow support box. And now we are watching, okay, is this already the start of the third wave or not? However, for now it starts to look good, and as I said in previous videos across the market in the last week or so, we have to assume that this is something real until support breaks, because across the board corrective structures look complete. Also here VAI completed a 3-wave decline, A wave, B wave, C wave, and it's starting to break out above this descending trend line here right now. And we have 5 waves down in wave C. So of course, this is not the only scenario. There are bearish scenarios still available. Please always apply risk management. And I'm not highlighting to you that this is guaranteed. It is a pretty unreliable chart long term. That just has to do with the situation that, look at this, it's a lifetime downtrend. However, off the lows, it produced an impulse into the 2023 highs, moved down in a correction, and this could be something. But obviously support levels need to hold for that. We are currently assuming that lows are in, but we are also very much focusing here on highlighting the risk involved with the move. It's still too early. We need more evidence to really confirm that a low has been made, okay? And if you are waiting for confirmation to make a trade, you know how it works. That depends on you and your trading plan, essentially, and how much confirmation you need as a trader. That has nothing to do with the analysis. You trade where risk is low and reward is high. And from an analysis point of view, it's all about, we need structures to confirm things, okay? So, but we had a 5-wave move to the upside that looks pretty good. And then obviously this 3-wave move to the downside. Now let's for a moment assume this wave 2 is in. Then we can define the target for circle wave 1. Circle wave 1 should reach, if it's a real wave 1, the area between the 38.2 extension and the 61.8 extension. Remember that Veracity was recently one of the first coins that actually reached here the 38.2 extension target. So that would be here for VAI. That would be 19.9 cents. So pretty much an easy 2.5x, yeah, from where we're now roughly. And then we should see a wave 2 pullback. And again, that's only like the minimum expectation you would have for circle wave 1. Here, the 61.8 extension is possible and the 78.6. I don't want it to go higher than that in circle wave 1 though. So the first level to watch is really this one. In addition to that, we first also need to break out above the yellow trend line. When we then move higher, we can expect obviously a pullback in wave 2. Once that is done, we can calculate the other waves here. Circle wave, here this larger degree wave 3 should reach ideally $6.36, but that's at the moment just the nominal target from where we are now. This is likely going to move and will all depend on how high will circle wave 1 go. So what is the support that now needs to hold for trend continuation? I mean, it's needless to say that the last swing low obviously needs to hold. Let's go to the 1-hour chart again. So just need to shift things here. So needless to say that this low obviously needs to hold. It's the October low at 4.1 cent, but already nearly doubled since then. So that's good to see. Normally I would use the 50% retracement level, as first evidence that things are starting to break down. But actually this now forming 5 waves up, okay? So what I would wait for now, as we have a potential 5-wave up on the micro, okay, we would call that wave 1 of circle wave 1. So it could certainly do something like this here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then as soon as we have a top in place here in wave 1 of circle wave 1, we can calculate support for wave 2. Okay, that's sort of how it should go. At the moment there is no sign of a top in place, but you know, it looks like a 5-wave move so far. Yeah, that's my update about VAI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.